I'm Fire Alarm 9200, and this is going to be System Test 49. Alright, so if you guys watched System Test 48, you probably know by now that the 5820 XL is no more. And it was the last test with the 5820. So I have a new panel here, which you guys are going to see in a moment, but before that I'm going to show what devices I have hooked up. So I still have the 425120 over here. And over here, this is a Wheelock EHM DL1. Now, those of you that don't know what an EHM DL1 is, in fact, this is actually a modified EH DL1 that's not finished yet. I'm actually waiting to get a horn for it. So right now, there's just a strobe that came off of an old Wheelock ET that ended up turning pink. That's a story for another time. That strobe is not hooked up, but above it, as you can see, I'm using a System Sensor i3. I'm using a conventional detector, no longer using an addressable device, so there's already something different. The Honeywell PSDA has been moved over here, and as for the horn, I have my Amsico SH24 set on low volume code 3. So we're here. I'm gonna move this board so we can actually shut the door. MS4 is down there. I still got the Siemens ZR over here. As for horns, I got the Wheelock AS on code 3 low volume. And it's back here again. And this T-bar hasn't changed either, and I have there's a reason for me keeping the T-bars. And over here, as you can see, I haven't taken the annunciator down, but I do have an annunciator coming for the new panel. I just left this here just to kind of like, so I know where to put everything. And I just got a Wheelock RSS over here. And the 2099 9101 is back here. Which I need to get a deeper back box for this thing. So, what is the panel that I'm using? Well, never thought I'd actually be able to use this as on the main system. Well, a working one. So, what is the panel? 3, 2, 1. It is the Simplex 4006. Yep. The 4006 is completely normal. And no, I did not replace the circuit board. I actually fixed this panel myself. So last year, SafeMan 4202 had unlocked the programming on this thing. He was able to get the installer codes from level 2, 3, and 4, which level 1 really doesn't have a passcode. It just uses the level 2. So then the problem was we replaced the fuse after we got the codes. And the problem was this right here. The AC terminals were not soldered on correctly. So it wasn't even making, so AC power was not even going to the fuse or the transformer. So yeah. It's normal, and the time of day is incorrect. I didn't feel like setting it just yet, but I will be after this video. So, yep. Eventually, later this summer, I'll be rewiring the entire system. So, yeah. Still, wires, they look better than they have in past tests, but could do better. So now, what device should we activate first? I'm thinking we activate the PSDA. Push in, pull down. As you can see, alarm silence complete, and I still haven't set up the 4-wire for those devices yet. The AS would flash, but if I, because right now the strobes are still set on the horn circuit, so that's why they're not flashing. That's why only these two strobes are on DAC 2, which is programmed for non-silenceable, so that's why these two are still flashing. As you can see, pull station is still down, but watch this. This is something that none of my other panels can do. If the pull station is left down, it won't reset. So you'll have to reset the pull station before you can reset the system. Which is a neat feature. Remember, there's been plenty of times where I forget to reset the pull station and I end up resetting the system. We get... now I need to find my V key. So now, 4251. Yep. Yep, alarm has been silenced. So now, I'm going to pull this. Okay, now, watch this. I'm going to see how loud that is outside the door. Not terribly loud out here. That's good. Wow. Okay. So now we are going to test the smoke detector. Now, I have a problem with the Silent Night one since it didn't have a test button, or couldn't even be tested with a magnet, so I actually had to use smoke for it. But, you know, a little trick with the i3s. Yeah. Reset that. Yeah, I didn't press acknowledge. Come on. That lock doesn't like me. Oh, the strobes were in sync for a second. So I acknowledge. Thank you. Yep, so the smoke detector is an alarm, so now I'm going to do a full reset and then show something else. Oh, that's because I didn't reset the Silent Night pull station. Stupid me. And the keys are... Okay, so we're going to try that again. Progress, press that key. Reset complete. System is all normal. Now, there's a little something that I would like to demonstrate to you guys. So, this is why supervisory is important. Remove the head, system went into trouble. How to do that is, so I have the positive wire going in here, and out of this other positive terminal I have the positive side of I have the resistor connecting to the negative side and this wire. So that way, as you can see, the panel is in trouble. So, whenever you close this, you can find the resistor again. So yep, we're back to normal. So yep, the Simplex 4006 is normal. And it's awesome. So, there'll be more system tests, especially there is going to be a lot of 4006 tests this summer. And just wait and see. There's going to be some pretty good ones as well. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.